Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Super Search's Classroom, and today we're going to be discussing perimeter, area, and volume. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's look at the equations. So for perimeter is a measurement of the distance around an object. So around an object, right? So as you can see, this is a square. How do I know that? Because all sides are equal. All right, so 5, 5, 5, and 5. So if we add the measurement of the distance around the object, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So the perimeter of this square is 20 inches, right? And now let's go to area. It looks like I covered it up a little bit. It's okay. I can always take it away, right? There we go. And so, measurement of a two-dimensional shape, right? Measurement of two-dimensional space inside an object. Sorry about that. So, area is what's inside, right? What's inside. So, the equation for area is length times width. So, 3 is length and 2, that's width. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 units, that's what's inside. And volume. Volume is the measurement of the three-dimensional space inside an object. So it would be the same as area if you just added height to it, right? It's the inside. So we would multiply 3 times 2. That gives us 6. 6 times 4, that gives us what? 24. So the inside will be 24 meters. And these are the formulas, the equations for perimeter, area, and volume. Let's go ahead and get started with our first one, which is perimeter. And if you can see over here, I got the rim going round and round. That's why I have it going round and round. So let's go ahead and read the question. The combined perimeter of the rectangle and triangle is 63 inches. The model shows the dimensions of the rectangle. So I see that it's 11 on this side and 7 on this side. So if top is 7, that means bottom is 7. If left is 11, that means right is 11. Right? So let's read the question. What is the perimeter in inches of the triangle? So they want to know the triangle. But before we can know the triangle, we have to know the rectangle. So 11 plus 7 is what? 18. 18 plus 11 is 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. So 36, that's the perimeter of the rectangle. But that's not what they asked us, right? So now, let's subtract 63, because remember, combine is together. So if they want it separate, we have to do the opposite. The opposite of combined, which is addition, is subtraction. Minus what? 36. All right. 3 minus 6, can't do that. So I got to borrow from my neighbor. There's 5. 13 minus 6 is what? 7, right? 5 minus 2 is what? 5 minus 3 is 2. I gave it away. So the answer would be F, right? That's the perimeter of the triangle, right? Now let's go to our next one, which is what? Area. This is area. So let's see what they have for us. Edgar built a deck in his backyard with a section in the shape of a rectangle and a section in the shape of a square, right? The model shows the dimensions of his deck in feet. What is the area in square feet of the deck Edgar built? Record your answer. So this is going to be a bubble in, right? But we have 2 dimensions. So this how I make it easy, right? We have to know the inside of both. So let's do 8 times 8 first. So 8 times 8 is what? 64. So the area for the square is 64. That's not our answer yet because we still need the area of the rectangle. So now 16 times 8 is what? Let me see. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So 128. Right? And now let me put it over here. 128 plus 64 because they want the dimensions, they want the area of this deck, right? Both square and rectangle. So 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. Right? And 1 plus nothing is just 1. So the area of this deck would be 100. Oh, sorry, I drew the 9 before. 192 feet. And that's how you do area. It's very simple now. This is trying to throw us a curveball because we had to do each of these separate, but we got it, right? Because we're a smart, talented group. Now, let's go ahead and go to volume. Volume is very easy because if I know how to do area, I should know how to do volume because all I'm doing is multiplying another step. So first we have length times width, right? That's area. And all we got to do now is whatever we multiply that by, we just multiply it by height. And that gives us volume. So it's fairly simple. Let's see what we got. The length of one edge of a cube is 3 units. What is the volume of a cube in cube units? Record your answer and fill in. So this is another bubble in. So what do I know about a cube? All right. All sides what? Are equal, right? So all sides are equal. So if 1 is 3, if the length is 3, the width is 3, and the height is 3. So let's go. 3 times 3 times 3. Let's fill it in. 3 times 3, 9. Times 3 is what? 27. So the volume is 27. And that's how we do area. See, I mean, that's how we do volume. Fairly simple because we already know how to do area. So all we just got to do is add one more step to get volume. It's that simple. And remember, at any time, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do it. If you need to go back to the equations for perimeter, area, and volume, go ahead and do it. But until next time, thank you. Give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a great day.